black, sky blue, violet, yellow, pink, purple, red and green color. Kids, we will trace A, B, C and D. Let's trace A. 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 A for apple. A for ant. A for aeroplane. A for alligator. B. 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 B for ball. B. B for butterfly. B. B for basket. B. B for balloon. C. 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 C for cat. C. C for cycle. C. C for car. C. C for cake. D. 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 D for dinosaur. D. D for drum. D. D for doll. D. D for duck. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.